If you're going to Halong Bay in Vietnam and think about which cruise to choose, well, look no further. Today, I'm going to review Elite of the Seas, their luxury cruise line at Halong Bay. So come join me, take a look at these views. We'll go through the ins and outs, what's good and what's bad. So we came from Hanoi, and it was about 2 to 2.5 hour drive to get to this lobby here, where we wait around for about 20 minutes or so. Then you take this boat to the main boat. So the main boat's not here. It's another 20-minute ride or so throughout the harbor. But the cool part is you'll see Halong Bay from the entry through all these little coves. It's a really spectacular sight to oversee. And finally, the boat appears right here in all of its glory. Everybody's filming, so stay on the right-hand side of the boat as you come across to the back of the cruise ship. It's a really modern design. It's a gorgeous ship, and everybody's in awe by seeing this in sight. Who doesn't like showers of rose petals? Well, when you first come in, they shower you with all the rose petals possible. Then you go to the dining room afterwards for a quick lunch. Here's the dining room with all the wait staff. They're all awesome. Here's a quick look at the preset menu. Pretty extensive. And here we are, finally at the cruise ship and ready to rock. Look at the views. Pretty amazing. And here's the food. We got bruschetta and also pate. We had some Vietnamese green tea. It was really good, and a mocktail with watermelon. This is pumpkin soup. It was really well made and flavorful. However, one of the things we didn't realize about Vietnam is how much garbage there is, especially for a national park. Look at all the garbage out there. That was one of the things that destroyed our hearts about this trip. Here's a fruit salad with a vinaigrette. Nice and light. Here's oysters. I think this is what made me sick for the rest of the trip. I had really bad food poisoning after this meal. The lobster was well made, a little bit too rich for my taste. Had a fettuccine with cheese, and lobster had cheese also. The duck was really well prepared. That was really good. And probably my favorite dish. We ended lunch with a panna cotta with fruit on top, which was just the right balance. After a meal, they give you the itinerary for the 2-day trip. So the cost for 2 people in the executive suite was $1,050 for 1 night, 2-day stay. So let's check out the room, see what our money paid for. And this is the executive suite. It's in the back of the cruise. It's really well laid out. Has a lot of privacy. There's one more room to our left, as you'll see soon, but it's a really spacious cabin. It's well designed, it's comfortable, has air conditioning, and also your own patio in the back, as we shall see here, with amazing gorgeous view, especially when you dock. And when you're outside, you have lounge chairs, you have a place to have lunch, and also outdoor shower too. The other thing we noticed is how busy Halong Bay is. As you see in the background, there's another cruise ship. So there's a lot of cruise ships going on. So it's not really peaceful, serene as you would expect. There's bottled water. They have robes, extra blankets if you need it. And for the toilet, they have a total toilet, which is pretty amazing for a cruise ship. However, showers is a mix of bathtub and stand-up shower. As you can see here, don't worry about getting the blinds wet. It's built for it. At first I was worried, it's like, hey, is it gonna get everything wet? But no issues at all. In regards to the sink, as you can see, it's a little bit smaller sink, but does the trick, has ample space and a mirror. There's me. Hi guys. In regards to the bed is actually really comfy, has 2 lights if you want to read as you look outside, especially nighttime. And look at that view. Amazing. And what about the gym? Let's go check it out. Well, here it is. Pretty small. Not really the best workout you'll get, but for 1 night, that'll work. Dinner time, same app set up with a bread and 2 sides. Here's a salad, and also I ordered the scallops. By this time, my food poisoning was kicking in, wasn't feeling that well, and here's a turn down service. Here's the nighttime view. As you can see, there's a ton of cruise ships, so if you're expecting a serene, isolated view, you won't get that here. Here's a lobby and there's a bar. We didn't partake much here, and here's a pool too. So get a pool with a view. In case you're wondering about the spa, we did do a spa service. It was okay. And here's the room. So what is the conclusion? Would I recommend Lido Seas? If you're a cruise person, you're going to Halong Bay, I would definitely recommend them. They're luxury, they got good food. Even though I got food poisoning, it's still delicious. However, if you ask me if I would visit Halong Bay itself again, answer is no. I would recommend a day trip, so you go back on land again. I think the cruise, even one night, was a little too much for us, but again, we're not big fans of cruise ships, but you might be different. And the third thing is, don't be surprised if you see a lot of garbage out there in the water, so be forewarned. As always, if this video helped you, please click and subscribe to help our channel out. Let's go explore.